The area is
Hey guys, it's Liquid Empire here. Hopefully, this video will go through. This is my first video with the Elgato game capture HD60, and it looks really cool. So it's a little different than I thought it was, and just so you guys know, the gameplay in the background here is Battleborn, the new operation mission, which costs $5 to get, unless you have the DLC, which I do. I'm kind of a little lost in the mission. I haven't actually been playing it, setting up my Elgato. So basically, the way it works, is it goes through the Xbox out into the Elgato game capture, from there into the TV. So I'm just listening on my TV instead of like playing on the game or on the computer. My bad. So this is my first video I'm recording. If this doesn't go through, obviously I'll just make a new one. But hopefully I'll figure out how to do this mission really quick. I don't know if you guys are able to hear my